In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Proton Mail using Chrome and set up customized email filters for a more organized inbox. We'll break this down into simple, manageable steps, making sure your email management is as smooth and efficient as possible. To begin with, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once it's open, head over to the Proton Mail website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right section of your screen. That's where you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up a new menu where you can adjust various settings for your Proton Mail account. From this settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the filters section. Filters are a fantastic way to help manage and organize your incoming emails based on specified criteria, ensuring that important messages don't get lost in your inbox. Once you arrive at the filters page, locate and click on the Add Filter button. This is where the real customization begins. When you're adding a new filter, you'll be prompted to set conditions. These conditions determine which emails the filter will apply to. For instance, you might want to filter emails based on the sender, ensuring that all messages from a particular person or domain are handled in a specific way. You might also decide to filter by the subject line, perhaps moving emails that include a particular keyword into a designated folder. Setting these conditions correctly is key to tailoring your email experience to match your personal or professional needs. Once you've set these conditions, it's time to decide what actions you want these filters to trigger. Proton Mail offers a variety of actions you might consider. You can apply a specific label to categorize emails automatically, or move emails to a designated folder to keep your inbox tidy. By doing this, you can streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus more on the content that's most important to you. After setting your preferred conditions and actions, don't forget the crucial step of saving your new filter. Saving ensures that the changes you've made are applied and that your filter will work seamlessly in the background as new emails arrive in your inbox. Lastly, if you need to manage your labels, you can do this by heading back to the settings menu and then navigating to the folders/labels section. This provides an overview and editing options for all the labels you have, yet giving you additional control over how your emails are organized and accessed. And there you have it. With your new filter in place, managing your Proton Mail should be a breeze. This setup not only saves you time, but also keeps your email interactions efficient and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your email management through Proton Mail.